My name is Akina Brodiak. I am the author of a book called 12 and Pregnant, a tween mom's guide to surviving and thriving after pregnancy. Today, I am going to talk to you about a topic that is often not discussed, but it does happen very often, and that is that of sexual violence. I discuss in this book what to do if you find yourself being a victim of sexual violence. Like I said, sexual violence is something that happens very often, but it is not talked about. And um, before I go any further into this, I just want to say that, if this video added any value to you or it adds any value to you, please like it, please comment, please share, because you never know where someone else is. I like to talk about topics that are important, but like I said, not discussed. So I'm going to go into it. So what I'm going to talk about today is sexual violence. So sexual violence can appear in a multitude of ways, but I'll just talk about it just a little bit. I just want you to know that if you have ever found yourself being a victim of sexual violence, you're not alone. There are many women and girls who've been assaulted. As a matter of fact, according to the Rape, Abuse, Incest National Network, which is called RAINN for short, someone is assaulted in the United States every 2 minutes. Can you believe that? Every 2 minutes, there is a sister, there is a friend, there is a mother, there is an aunt. These that are assaulted, and that's I believe that's in the United States. Something to think about. But the thing is, you just don't know about it because that person never told you about it. That person never said anything or went any further. They may not have felt comfortable talking to you about it because it is a very it's a thing that can be very private. And a lot of times when women have been assaulted in any way, they don't feel comfortable talking to people about it. They're ashamed, they're embarrassed, they think they did something wrong, they think that people are going to judge them. All kinds of things, all kinds of emotions come behind being sexually assaulted. So if you have ever found yourself sexually assaulted, or even maybe know somebody who was sexually assaulted, this is what you need to do. First thing you need to do is make sure that you get out of immediate danger. If you are in immediate danger, you need to call the police. If you find that this is a situation to where you absolutely cannot handle this, call 911 right away. Second thing is, after this has happened, like I said, it can be very traumatic. It's very, very traumatizing. But make sure you tell somebody that you can trust. Please do not try to keep that all in as if it's not something that major that's just happened to you. You need to understand that you are not alone. And like I said, this happens every 2 minutes in the United States. So tell somebody that you can trust. Number three is if you can, contact RAINN. As I mentioned them before, their hotline number is 1-800-656-4673. 1-800-656-4673. You'll be connected to a trained staff member who is trained in dealing with people who have been sexually assaulted on a regular basis. So it's someplace that's safe that you can call and someone that you can trust. So just be assured of that. And the fourth thing that I want you to know is that you did not cause this to happen. I don't care how short your dress is. I don't care what anybody says. It is not your fault. If someone else took it upon themselves to violate you in such an egregious and horrible way, it is not your fault. And I want you to know that. I want you to know that because that's the number one thing that women think when they've been sexually assaulted in any way. They tend to think that it's not, or that they've done something wrong. So I hope this helps you. I know that it's a short video, but it's something that I talk about extensively again in the book. If you have not gotten this book, you need to get this book. Even if you're not in the realm of being a parent, if you might know somebody. This is something that I discuss in this book. I hope your day's going great, and like, share, comment. Thanks.